Okay, your first 25K. Learn exactly what it takes to go from 0 to 25K in 20 months or less. 25K in 20 months or less. That's what I'm going to be showing you how to do. Now, if you haven't done this before, there is a roadmap to doing this. There is a path to achieving this goal, and you just need to understand how to do it in order to achieve it. Yes, it's difficult. I understand. For a lot of people, they can't get past the one or two or £3,000 mark. Sometimes they're not even that. But there is a way to doing it, and I've been through it, so I can show you how to do that. My story. I mean, I've had a lot of money at one point. I had, a couple £100,000, can you imagine? And I was very careless with that money. I lost most of that money and ended up back at square one again. So I had to reconfigure what to do. But as a result of that, I learned money management. I learned about personal finance, and I was able to get myself back into a very stable position and now have tens of thousands of pounds stashed away. And I can help you do it too. I can help you get to that point where you have at least £25,000 in your savings account, where you can now take it to the next level and start investing that money into all different things that can really multiply that money. But really getting to that 25K mark is what I really want to help you to do. And anyone can do it, given the right support, direction, and the roadmap to doing it. So sign up now, enter your name and email address to get access to preview training videos from the course. Limited availability, so get started.